Hello friends, welcome to Infinity for All. Today we will begin with the third unit, that is surface integral from semester 5 paper 1 syllabus. Surface integral definition. The integral which is evaluated over a surface is called surface integral, and there are basically three methods to describe a surface named S. Firstly, implicit representation. In this, we describe a surface with a set of points x, y, z that is satisfying the equation f of x, y, z is equal to 0. The example is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. It is a equation of sphere, and here it is in a form of implicit representation. The second form of representation is explicit representation. In this type of representation, we express the equation of the surface in the form z is equal to something, or z is equal to f x comma y. So the example will change now into the form of, or the equation which is equated to z is equal to root of 1 minus x square minus y square, and this is the explicit representation of sphere. The third type of representation is parametric representation, that is few parameters or parameters are used to express the variables x, y and z. So in this type of representation we express x, y, z in terms of parameter. Example, x is equal to rho cos theta sin phi, y is equal to rho sin theta sin phi, z is equal to rho cos phi, is parametric representation of the sphere. So in short, these three methods are representation of any surface implicitly, explicitly and parametrically. Now definition of fundamental vector product. If gamma from domain T subset R2 to R3 is a parameterization of surface S given by gamma u comma v is equal to x of u comma v comma y of u comma v comma z of u comma v, or it can also be written in the form of vector. So x uv I cap plus y uv j cap plus z uv k cap, then dabba gamma upon dabba u cross dabba gamma upon dabba v. That means partial derivatives of gamma with respect to u cross partial derivative of gamma with respect to v is called the fundamental vector product. These were the few basics for surface integrals. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel if you haven't done it yet. Do not forget to press the bell icon for update of every new video uploaded. Your comments, queries, suggestions are always welcome. Thank you.